Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare Lebanese chicken soup with rice. It's so yummy and it's so easy as well. So first let's get started with the ingredients. We need chicken, skin left, and you can use breast, I'm using the whole chicken. I just cut it, a small chicken, so I just cut it into a small pieces. I have one chopped onion and I have one cup of rice washed and clean. We have like 2 tablespoons of minced parsley, chopped minced parsley, and we have 1 teaspoon of 7 spices. And also I'm going to use 2 chicken stock. So if you wanted to use salt, it's up to you, but I'm not going to use salt. I'm going to use chicken stock. Will make it so rich and delicious. So first let's get started to prepare the soup. Alright, so first I'm going to boil the chicken. So on high heat I'm going to boil the chicken. Okay, so I added 2 liters of water. I'm going to keep them on high heat and boil them. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off all these on top of the chicken. Okay, so try to get rid of from all of them, just to make the chicken broth clean. Alright, perfect. So now I'm going to cook the chicken for about 20 minutes, but let me add the onion. Okay, so I'm going to leave them 20 minutes on medium heat just to cook. You can cover them if you want, and we will complete the video. Okay guys, so this is after 20 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the rice. And I'm going to add the spices with the chicken stock, and then leave them for 15 minutes or 20 minutes until the rice cooked well. And at the end I'm going to add the parsley. Okay, so leave them on medium heat and cover them. Okay guys, so now everything is cooked well, so I'm going to add the parsley and then leave them 2 minutes, and that's it. I'm going to turn off the cooker and the soup will be ready. It tastes so yummy. So that's it. So I'm going to leave it 2 more minutes and then turn off the cooker. Okay, so the soup now is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to serve it. Yeah. All right, here we go. This looks so yummy. Wow. This is the chicken and rice soup. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you will like this recipe. It's so easy and yummy as well, especially kids. They will love it so much. So guys, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. Bye.